What's happening, folks? So for this one, I'm making a knife for the DMB report. This is a couple of really great ladies, and I'm really looking forward to them getting these knives. Honestly, these are a couple of the nicest ladies that I know, and I'm super duper excited to be making this for them. When they came and asked me if I could make them a couple of knives, I said yes, absolutely. Couldn't wait to do it. So basically, what I ended up doing was I found an old pair of hedge trimmers, got them at the flea market, which is pretty cool, and it's going to make a great blade. Took them apart, did everything that needed to be done with them, and started making their knives. Everything went really well with the heat treat, with the grinding, with everything. Right now I've got them sitting in the oven, so I'm going to run them at a couple of cycles for the tempering, and then in episode 2 I am going to start working on the handles. Probably the handle material, then I'll start working on the handles. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to be using, but it will probably be pretty patriotic, because these ladies are a couple of patriots. That I'm proud to be an American. And they're awesome. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. This one told me that I needed to take a break and play, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's hot as Hades in here.
I've heard it said that a way, yes, sir.